Hey, what's going on, guys? Today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to access disk management in Windows 7. It is a little bit confusing if you don't know where to go, so I'm going to show you how. Go ahead and make your way down to the Start button here. Go ahead and click on that Start button. That will lead you right here. Then you're going to come up to Computer, and you're going to right-click on Computer right there. When you right-click on Computer, this will open up here, and you're going to go down to the second one, Manage. You're going to click on Manage. So it might take a second, but that window will come up. Over here in the left menu right here, we see Disk Management right there. Let's go ahead and click or double click on that. And this might take actually a little bit of time here because it will be loading disk configuration information. Okay, now after about 30 seconds or so for myself, my disk management has pulled up right here. And so now I can see my hard drives. And the reason why I'm making this video is because I installed a new hard drive and it's not showing up. I need to give it a file letter. So you can access all that in Computer Disk Management, assigning letters. If you need to assign letters, just right click, hover over one of these here, right click it, and the menu will come up. Just be careful, you know what you're doing before you start clicking around. Don't format anything if you do not need to do that. Hopefully the video has helped you guys navigate to disk management. Smash that thumbs up button, check out the channel. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.